With deep sorrow and grief, the nation mourns the passing of a towering Islamic scholar and revered leader, Hazrat Maulana Saghir Ahmad Rashadi, Ameer-e-Shariat of Karnataka, Muhtamim and Sheikh al-Hadith of Darul Uloom Sabilur Rashad, has passed away. Maulana was deeply respected for his profound knowledge, dedicated teaching, and lifelong commitment to serving Deen and guiding the community. He trained thousands of students and enriched the Ummah through his speeches, teachings, and wise counsel. Scholars, spiritual leaders, and social figures at the international, national, and regional level have expressed deep grief over his passing, describing his religious and academic services as truly unforgettable. The blessed body of the late Maulana is being kept for public viewing today from 10 a.m. at Aiwan-e-Alama, Abu Saud, Darul Uloom Sabilur Rashad. The funeral prayer will be offered tomorrow, Tuesday, the 13th of January 2026 at 10 a.m. at Darul Uloom Sabilur Rashad, followed by the burial within the institution premises. The nation bows in respect and remembrance. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.